أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين واللعنة على أعدائهم من الآن إلى يوم الدين أما بعد فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Can everyone hear me?
Walaikum salam, Sheikh. Yes.
Yes.
So, Sister Sama, what did we do last week? Can you just refresh our memory?
We done present tense.
Yep.
And we done all the 14 conjugations.
Yep.
And we done with different words, and we were supposed to do like 3 words as a homework: yaktubu, yaftahu, and yazribu.
Yep.
So do you want me to do it?
Yeah, so for example, so you did 3 verbs last week. So what were they you did last week? So which one did you do? So I told you the 3 verbs on 3 different patterns. So which one did you do?
I'm all right with the yaktubu.
Okay, which one did you do?
So I can do yaktubu.
Yep, go do yaktubu, go ahead.
Okay. So for the third person singular, yaktubu, he writes. Yaktubani, they 2 male write. Yaktubuna, they more than 2 male write. Taktubu, she writes. Taktubani, they 2 female write. Yaktubna, they more than 2 female write. Taktubu, you male write. Taktubani, you 2 dual male write. Taktubuna, you more than 2 male write. Taktubina, she female write. Taktubani, you 2 female write. Taktubna, you more than 2 female write. Aktubu, 1 either male or female write. Naktubu, we 2 male or female write. Naktubu, we more than 2 male or female write.
Okay, excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic?
Sister Tahira.
Sister Tahira, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Sister Tahira, you can see there's a change of verb on the screen.
Yes.
Daraba yadribu. So would you be able to conjugate the present tense for this, please?
Sure. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yadribu, yadribani, yadribuna. Tadribu, tadribani, yadribna. Tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna. Tadribina, tadribani, tadribna. Adribu, nadribu.
Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic? I'll pick Aghai Hassan Ali. Hassan Ali.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله. Would you be able
كيف حالك؟
to... Alhamdulillah بخير. كيف حالك?
الحمد لله بشكرا.
Alhamdulillah. So the next verb which are on the screen, it's fataha yaftahu. So yaftahu, you will find that the middle letter has a fatah, which yaftahu means he is opening. So would you be able to conjugate this, please?
Fatah means opening, right?
He opens, yeah. Yaftahu, he is opening or he opens.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Fatahu.
Yaftahu. Fataha yaftahu.
Yaftahu, yaftahani. Yaftahuna, yaftahu. Taftahani, yaftahna.
Excellent.
Taftahu, taftahani. Taftahuna, taftahina. Taftahani, taftahna. Aftahu, naftahu.
Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic, please? Hassan Ali, can you choose the next student to come on the mic, please?
Ali Rashid.
Ali Rashid is not here today yet.
Okay. Tahira is done, right?
Yep.
Zara Banu, she is not there also.
She hasn't arrived yet.
Okay. You pick up somebody.
Okay, I'll pick Sister Fatim.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Sister Fatim,
Salam.
would you be able to do Alima Ya'lamu? Alima Ya'lamu, he knows.
Okay. Should I do with the meaning as well or?
Without the meaning is fine.
Okay. Ya'lamu, ya'lamani, ya'lamuna. Ta'lamu, ta'lamani, ya'lamna. Ta'lamu, ta'lamani, ta'lamuna. Ta'lamina, ta'lamani, ta'lamna. A'lamu, na'lamu.
Excellent. Sister Salma, Sister Shabnam Deoji. Sister Shabnam Deoji, are you able? I'm not too sure because I did see a message from yourself, but I'm not too sure. Does it mean that you will be passive? Yep, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. So the next person will be, I'll choose Sister Seema Askar. Alaikum salam. So Sister Seema, I'm going to give you a verb. Ghasala, yaghsilu. So yaghsilu, he is washing. Would you be able to conjugate the present tense? Yaghsilu.
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yaghsulu, yaghsulani, yaghsuluna, yaghsulu, taghsulu, taghsulani, yaghsuluna, taghsulu, taghlusani, taghlusuna, taghlusina, taghlusani, taghlusna, aghlusu, naghlusu.
So you said aghsilu, naghsilu.
Aghsilu, naghsilu.
Okay, brilliant. Sister Bilqis, can you come on the mic as well?
Ji, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. I'm going to give you the verb nasara yansuru.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yansuru, yansurani, yansuruna, tansuru, tansurani, yansurna, tansuru, tansurani, tansuruna, tansurina, tansurani, tansurna, ansuru, nansuru.
Excellent. Who is remaining? Nope, everyone's had a chance. Sister Salma, yes. Salma.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam. So I'm going to give you the verb. Dhahaba, yadhabu. So dhahaba, he went. Yadhabu, he is going.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yadhabu, yadhabani, yadhabuna. Tadhabu, tadhabani, yadhabna. Tadhabu, tadhabani, tadhabuna. Tadhabina, tadhabani, tadhabna. Adhabu, nadhabu.
Excellent. Right. So this is, I'm quite happy with this. Now, I want to cover everything today so that rather than having 2 lessons, I want to cover 2 lessons work. Probably not 2 lessons, it's about lesson and a half's work. I want to cover in today's lesson. Right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try to explain to yourselves the imperatives. So the imperatives, they are a order which a person demands from the second person to execute. So these are orders which a person who is speaking will command the second person to execute. And they are 6 in form for the second person, and there are also 6 for the third person. But inshallah, we will do the third person later, but at the moment, I'm going to concentrate on the second person. So this is a demand which a speaker demands from the addressee to perform. And how is it formed? I will explain today. So first of all, if you look over here, al-amru, it says al-amru, which means the imperative or the order. They are made for the second person, and there are 6 in total. So you will see here is uktub, which means write. Uktuba, you two write. Uktubu, you all write. Uktubi, you one female write. Uktuba, you two females write. Uktubna, you all females write. Can I have Sister Tyra?
Yes. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Can you repeat the word which I just said now? Uktub.
Okay. Uktub. So, anta uktub. Antuma aktuba.
Uktuba.
Oh, sorry. Antuma uktuba. Antum uktubu. Anti uktubi. Antuma uktuba. Antunna uktubna.
Yeah. So when you actually say them to, you never say you hit, you say uktub, you just say the verb itself. So there's no need to say anta uktub. When you're saying to someone, you just say like iqra. Surah
Right.
Al-Iqra. You just say the verb without saying you. It becomes more formal. It's not a
Right.
formal thing. It's a command.
It just helps as a guide, but you shouldn't
Yeah.
say it, right?
Yeah, of course, yeah. So maybe
Yeah.
as you're memorizing, it's fine. That's what I said. It's perfectly fine at the moment. But in conversation, we use say anta uktub. Now, let me now explain to yourself something now. You will see that to make the, so you can write these notes down. I'm going to explain now. Now, how do you form the imperatives? I'll explain that. Let me actually teach them first by showing you them first, and then I'll explain the formula. I think that's a better way of doing it. So can you choose another student to come on the mic, sister?
Sure. Brother Hassan Ali?
Yep. Agha Hassan Ali. So you see here, Agha Hassan, are you there?
Yes.
So you will see here in the imperatives, all of the tas in the beginning. Can you see all the tas in the beginning? Taktub, taktubani. When you make the imperative, all of the tas are removed and you have a hamzatul wasl in the beginning.
Yes.
So this alif with a dhamma, it comes, and you will see what else is happening in your. So you see taktubu, the last letter has a sukoon as well. Yes.
Right.
And in taktubani, the noon has been dropped as well, so it becomes uktuba.
Right.
Yes. And then in taktubuna, the noon is dropped but replaced with the alif.
Right.
And in taktubina, the noon is dropped and becomes uktubi. In taktubani, the noon is dropped again, but in taktubna, this noon remains. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yallah. Can you conjugate now? Uktub.
You want me to read this?
Yes, read and translate in English.
Okay.
Uktub.
Uktub. What is the meaning of that?
Uktub means writes, is an order.
Okay. Uktub, he writes.
No, not he writes, you write. It's an order, write. So when you say to you, when you order someone, you don't say you write. You say to either cook, run, and it's an order, write.
Okay. Uktub, write. Uktuba,
you two write.
You write.
Yeah, two of you write.
Uktubu, you all write.
Excellent.
Uktubi, she writes.
You write. You write one female.
You yeah. So uktubi, you write. She. Uktuba, you two write.
Correct.
Uktubani, you all write.
No.
Uktubna.
Yeah.
Uktubna, you all write.
Excellent. Next person on the mic, Sister Fatim. Jazakallah.
Yes.
I'm going to give you a different verb. Nasara yansuru. So it's from dansuru. If you follow the same pattern as uktub, dansuru will become
Ansur.
Unsur.
Unsur. Unsur.
Yeah. Yep.
What is the meaning of Nasara?
Nasara, he helped.
Helped, okay. Unsur, help. Unsura.
Correct.
You too help. Unsuru, you all help. Feminine. Unsuri,
Yep.
help, feminine. Unsura, you too help. Unsurna, you all help.
Excellent. Can I have next on the mic, Sister Sayyida Sama?
Yes.
I'm going to give you the dakhala yadkhulu. So tadkhulu, he is entering. So the imperative will be
Adkhul.
no, not adkhul.
Good.
Ahsant. Allah Hassan has helped you. So dakhala yadkhulu, kataba yaktubu, uktub, dakhala yadkhulu,
Udkhul.
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 Yep.
It should be udkhul, right?
Yep, that's right.
So udkhula.
Yes, udkhula, udkhulu, udkhuli, udkhula, udkhulna.
Excellent. Excellent. Next person on the mic, Sister Seema Askar.
Yes, brother.
I'm going to give you the verb kharaja yakhruju. Kharaja yakhruju. Anta takhruju, you are leaving or you are exiting. What will be the amr?
Kharaja ukhruj. Yakhruju.
Yeah, ukhruj is correct.
First word would be ukhruj.
Yep.
Ukhruja, ukhruju, ukhruji, ukhruja, ukhrujna.
Excellent. Sister Bilqis, quick question to ask yourself.
Hello? Yes.
You know what? You probably seen what I've done here this time around, yes?
Yes.
What do
Yeah,
you prefer?
you're mostly picking the one with the Ain Kalma Hedadama.
Yeah, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer this way of me teaching, or do you prefer the other way I taught last time?
I think the other way was better.
You think it's the other way better? So what I'm doing here over here is because, you know, what I'm doing, I'm using a bit of psychology, is that people learn things practically first, and then the theory is taught. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first teach them the form of the actual equation, of the equation, not the equation, yeah, the answers, and then I'll teach the equations afterwards. That's what I'm doing here now.
That should be okay too. Since I have already taken this lesson, so I am very relieved that I know it already.
Yeah. So that's the reason why I wanted to have your feedback of what you think is better, because I'm trying to see how personally I think this way is easier, because students have to go. They don't have to use any formulas. They're just following the pattern itself.
Yeah. As long as all the words you're picking are on the same scale, then then it is fine. Otherwise, it will be a little difficult.
Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to do. Okay. I'm going to give you
check. Yep. So when you say uktub, it means it's almost a command, right?
Yes, it is a command.
Okay.
Okay, Sister Bilqis, as you're on the mic, I'm going to give you a word. Tabakha. Tabakha yatbukhu. What does that mean?
Tabakha means tabakha.
The word batbakh.
Batbakh, yes, cooking, cook.
So what will be the order? Cook.
Yes.
Yeah. How do you say in Arabic? Tabakha yatbukhu. So what will be the imperative?
Yatbukhu utbukh.
Excellent. Tafadali, continue.
Utbukh, utbukha, utbukhu, utbukhi, utbukha, utbukhna.
Excellent. Who is remaining next? Sister Salma.
I'm here, sir.
I'm going to give you the verb shakara yashkuru. Shakara yashkuru.
Okay, so Sheikh, it's on the same as this uktubu.
Yep.
Uktub, I mean.
Yep.
So ushkur, ushkura, ushkuru, ushkuri, ushkura, ushkurna.
Excellent.
Oh, alhamdulillah.
Okay. Who is left now? Is anyone who I've missed? Anyone? So Seema, you got a chance?
Yes, I got once, brother. I can do another one if you want. You can try another one.
Okay, Sister Durdana's here. Later, because I need to cover a lot of things, so that's the reason why I have to give one chance and then go ahead. Sister Durdana.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Sister Durdana, I'm going to give you a verb. The verb is going to be
Easy.
not easy. it's you know Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said inni tarikun fikum thaqalan. Inni tarikun. Tarikun means leave, yeah. So when the verb is taraka. Taraka, he left. Yatruku, he is leaving. Or
Okay.
he is leaving behind. So what will be the imperative of taraka yatruku? On the pattern of kataba yaktubu. Same as this pattern.
Aktur.
Utruk. Utruk.
Utruk. Utruk.
Yep. Utruk. Utruk.
Utruba.
No, utruka.
Yeah, I have to see the word actually. The word is
it's tal, ta, ra, kaf. Taraka.
Yeah.
Ta, ra, and kaf. Taraka. Yatruku.
Utruk.
Utruka.
Utruka. Utruku.
Yep.
Ukturi.
Utruki.
Utruki.
Excellent. Then utruka.
Utruka. Utturna.
Utrukna.
Utrukna. Actually,
Okay,
the word is not in the front.
No. Let's do uktub now. Read uktub.
Okay. Uktur.
Uktub.
Uktub. Uktubna.
No.
Uktubu.
The uktub, uktuba.
Yeah, uktuba. Uktubu. Uktubi.
Yeah.
Uktuba. And uktubna.
Excellent. Right. Is this clear for everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Right. Now write this down. So how do you form or how do you construct the imperatives? So that's the title. How to construct the imperatives. Those who have done it, there's no need to write it. You just chill out for a while, for a minute. Okay, so how to construct the imperatives. The imperatives or the amr, alif, lam, alif, mim, ram. The amr is formed from the second person verbs. There are 6 forms. Full stop. The verb taktubu, and the remaining 5 verbs, and the remaining 5 verbs the ta which is in the beginning of the present tense, the ta which is in the beginning of the present tense, and the ta in the beginning of the present tense is removed and in the singular masculine verb the last letter which has a dhamma changes into a sukoon. changes into a sukoon. Changes into a sukoon. The dual masculine and female and masculine plural and singular feminine and the singular feminine, the noons are omitted. The only noon which remains is for the feminine plural. Is that clear so far?
Yes.
Yeah. So you see that in taktubani, taktubuna, taktubina, taktuban, all of these noons are removed. And then the last one, uktubna, that noon remains because that's the sign of plural for the feminine. All right, next stage.
Sheikh, I'm sorry, I could not write it for some reason. Will you be able to put this so that we can write it down later on?
That's right. Yeah, no problem. I'll get Sister Tahira to share it in the group, inshallah.
Inshallah. Shukran.
No problem. But you can see what's happening here. In Taktu Uktubani, the noon is dropped. In Taktubuna, the noon is dropped. In Taktubina, Uktubi, the noon is dropped. In Uktuba, the noon is dropped again. But the noon, this remains.
Yes.
So this is that. Okay, now next thing. After removing the ta from the beginning of the present tense, we find that the three-letter verb's first letter is with a sukoon. With a sukoon. With a sukoon. Therefore, we require to bring Hamzatul Wasl in the beginning of the imperative. We are required to bring Hamzatul Wasl in the beginning of the imperative. Full stop. Full stop. The harakat of Hamzatul Wasl in the Hamzatul Wasl, this alif, is dependent. The i'rab of the Hamzatul Wasl or the harakat of the Hamzatul Wasl is dependent upon the middle letter. Upon the middle letter of the verb. If the middle letter has a dhamma, i.e. in taktubu, the ta in the middle, in taktubu, the ta in the middle has a dhamma. The ta in taktubu has a dhamma in the middle. So due to this, Hamzatul Wasl will receive a dhamma. Will receive a dhamma because of the ta in the middle. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, Sheikh, it's the Quran reading rule as well, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's ruling of Hamzatul Wasl, that's right.
Yes.
And then once you've done this, I'm going to then explain about the other ones as well. That's going to be 2 sentences. Once everyone's finished, just let me know.
Yes, we're done. I'm done.
Everyone else done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So, like here it is alif, and the third letter is Dhamma.
Yep.
If it was kasra, then the first letter will be kasra.
Yes. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to explain that now. If
okay.
If
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
If the present tense verb, if the present tense verb middle letter is a kasra, i.e. tadribu, a kasra, tadribu, kasra, or a fatha, i.e. taftahu. Or a fatha, taftahu. Taftahu. Kasra as tadribu, or a fatha like taftahu. In both of these cases, then the Hamzatul Wasl will be given a kasra. In both of these cases of fatha or kasra, the Hamzatul Wasl will be given a kasra. Kasra, then you can write these examples down. From tadribu to idrib. From tadribu to idrib. Tadribu to idrib, and taftahu to iftah. Taftahu to iftah. That's quite easy. Yes, everyone? So there's only 2 cases for Hamzatul Wasl in the imperative. Either it comes with a dhamma or either it comes with a kasra. That's it, nothing else. And the only place when it comes with a dhamma, the Hamzatul Wasl, is when the middle letter has a dhamma. Apart from that, if it's a fatha or a kasra, the Hamzatul Wasl comes with a kasra.
So does the meaning of ifta and after change? The meaning changes? Suppose there are so many in Surah Yasin, so many people recite instead of kasra, they recite fatha. So does it change the meaning?
No, it'll be incorrect. But this is a fixed formula. So if anyone reads with a fatha, it will change the meaning to present tense. So if you read it instead of ifta, you read aftahu. So it means I'm doing, I am opening, rather than order.
Oh.
That's what will happen. So it has to remain on this pattern. It's a consensus for everyone. Everyone does the same thing on this. Okay, is that clear for everyone?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna ask Sister Sama.
Yes.
Right. So why is it idrib? Explain to me. Why can't I read it? Something udrib. What's explain to me?
Because in this word the middle letter has kasra.
Yep.
So the hamzatul wasl will have the kasra.
Excellent. And what happens in the dual masculine, feminine, and plural masculine? What happens there to the imperatives?
So it will follow the same thing. Izriba, Izribu, Izribi, Izriba.
What happens to the nouns? What happens to the noun in the dual, feminine, masculine, and
noun will be
omitted.
Yes, omitted.
Yep.
Except the Izribna.
Yep, Izribna. Excellent. So can you conjugate all of the 6 forms?
Is it this one? Izrib?
Yep.
Izrib, Izriba, Izribu, Izribi, Izriba, Izribna.
Excellent. Sister Sima Askar, can you come on the mic?
Yes, brother.
Can you do Idrib as well, please?
Izrib, Izriba, Izrabu, Izrabi, Izriba, Izribna.
Can I say Udribna?
No, Uzribna is for what do you call? It's not like the order. It's not you're asking someone to do something. It's
so what is
for the self?
Yeah. So what is the ruling of Hamzatul Wasl? What pattern does it have in the imperative? How many scales does it have? How many irabs does it have? Can it come with a fatha as well in the order? Like al-dharib, is that correct?
No, I'm sorry. Could you repeat the asrib is not for the order.
You know, if I said instead of idharib, if I said al-dharib, would that be correct?
No.
For a 3-letter verb?
No.
Why? Because there are only 2.
They only if it's like fatha or the kasra in the middle letter, then that will become and it'll become a kasra for the 2 fatha or the kasra. For the middle letter.
Yeah, if the middle letter has a dhamma, then the hamzatul wasl will come with a
with a dhamma at the end.
Dhamma at the beginning, not the end, the beginning.
Oh, sorry. So the beginning.
Yeah, that's brilliant. That's good. Who is going to be next on the mic?
So Sheikh,
yes,
Sheikh, can you tell us a word which has got a fatha, say alif fatha, and then it goes on? Like you say, you can't have azrib. So what other word can be there, which I can start with alif fatha and go on?
Why do you want to break the rulings?
So there can't be a word which starts with fatha. It has to be either kasra or zumma.
Okay. So at the moment, remember this point. For a 3-letter verb, it's not possible to come with a fatha. For a 3-letter verb, remember this point. For a 3-letter verb, it only has two options. It either comes with a kasra or either it comes with a dhamma, full stop. There is no option available for a three-letter verb to come with a fatha. Is that clear?
So the same thing, like I asked you before. So if it is a zumma in say on alif, it means it is a sort of a command.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Next person would be on the mic. Sister Seema, because I had a chance. Difficult. Sister Durdana.
Assalamualaikum.
غسل يغسل يغسل غسل يغسل أنت تغسل. You are washing. What will be the imperative?
يغسل. So اغسل.
اغسل. Correct. Continue.
اغسل. اغسل. اغسل.
That's right. اغسلي.
اغسلي. اغسلا.
Yep.
اغسلنا.
Excellent. Excellent. Sister Tahira, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
Raja'a yarji'u. Raja'a, he returned. Yarji'u, he is returning. What will be the imperative?
Okay,
Why you are erasing? Is it raja'a?
Raja'a yarji'u.
He returned, right?
Yeah, he is returning.
He is returning. Okay. Irji, irji'a, irji'u, irji'i, irji'a, irji'na.
Excellent. Excellent. Next person will be on the mic, Sister Bilqis. Alaikum salam. I'm going to give you the verb jalasa yajlisu.
Jalasa yajlisu. Ijlis,
Yep.
ijlisa, ijlisu, ijlisi, ijlisa, ijlisna.
Excellent. Who's remaining now? Sister Salma?
I'm here, Sheikh.
I'm going to give you the verb sabara yasbiru. Sabara
What?
yasbiru.
What is the word?
Swad bara sabir. So sabara, he was patient. Yasbiru, he is being patient. And the imperative will be?
Isbir.
Correct. Conjugate.
Okay, so isbir, isbira, isbiru, isbiri, isbira, isbirna.
Ahsanti.
Thank you.
Is that has it helped you more, or is it what's the situation with yourself?
I think it's going really well. You're explaining it really well and all the examples, and I think it's making a lot of sense.
So was it the first time round not making sense, and now it's making more sense?
I think with more practice, it makes more sense.
Yeah, that's right.
So the more we go over it and repeat it, it just becomes easier.
Yeah. I definitely agree. I agree. Who is remaining now? Sister Fatim, have you had a chance?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions from anyone? Any questions? So that's good news. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing a good job then. Okay, next point. Sister Bilqis, what's your opinion on this way?
Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. I'm really enjoying it this time more.
Yeah, okay. No, because it's good to know, because as a teacher, you always try to excel, or try, unless you're a reborn teacher, you will just adopt the same method. But with me, I try to think of new creative ways of how to explain and convey the message in a different way. So I just wanted to see, because you've seen both of our methods in the other class and this class, whether
this was pretty fast, and everybody picked it up really fast.
Okay, so this is a better method of teaching them. Okay, that's good. That's good. Good to know. Thank you. As you're on the mic, Sister Bilkis, Yalla, do the verb fataha yaftahu and explain to me what is iftah.
What is the verb?
It's on the screen. It's fataha yaftahu. Fataha, he opened. Yaftahu, he is opening. And the imperative is iftah. Can you explain to me why is it iftah? Why it cannot be uftah?
Because out of the two scenarios, like when the middle letter, it can have the fatha, dhamma, and kasra, but the hamzatul wasl can have only two vowels. Either it will have a dhamma or either it will have a kasra. So in the scenario that middle letter has a dhamma, the hamzatul wasl will get a dhamma. But if the middle letter has a kasra or a fatha, the hamzatul wasl will get a kasra.
Excellent. Excellent. So can you do iftah?
Okay. Iftah, iftaha, iftahu, iftahi, iftaha, iftahna.
Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic, please?
Okay. Durdana.
Sister Durdana. Fahima yafhamu. Fahima yafhamu, and it's anta tafhamu. What will be the imperative?
What is the verb? Check.
Fahima. Fahima. Fa-ha-mim.
Fahima. Imperative will be ifham.
Yep.
Ifhama, ifhamu, ifhami, ifhama, ifhamna.
Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic?
Seema Asghar.
Seema Asghar.
Yes, Bella.
The verb is qara'a yaqra'u. Qara'a yaqra'u. Yaqra'u, and if it's taqra'u, you are reading. What would be the imperative? You read.
Iqra, 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 iqraha, iqrahu, iqrahi, iqraha, iqrahna.
Iqra'na. Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic?
Sister Shabnam.
Sister Shabnam is only listening. She can't participate today.
Sister Fatim.
Sister Fatim.
Yes.
Sister Fatim, the verb is masaha yamsahu. Mim, sin, ha. Yamsahu, he is wiping. The imperative, what will be the imperative? Masaha yamsahu, anta tamsahu. Mim, sin, ha. Anta tamsahu. You are wiping. Imperative is?
Imsah.
Correct.
Imsaha, imsahu, imsahi, imsaha, imsahna.
Excellent. Sister Tahira, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
The verb is dhahaba yadhabu. What will be the imperative?
What is the verb now?
Dhahaba, he went. Yadhabu, he is going.
So the imperative will be idhab.
Correct.
Idhaba, idhabu, idhabi, idhaba, idhabna.
Excellent. Sister Sama, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
The verb is labisa yalbasu. Labisa means he wore. Yalbasu, he is wearing. You know the word libas?
Yeah.
Labisa, he wore. Yalbasu, he is wearing. Anta talbasu. And the imperative would be?
Elbas.
Correct.
Elbasa, elbasu, elbasi, elbasa, elbasna.
Ahsanti. Agha Rashid. Agha Hassan Ali Rashid.
Yes.
Let's give you those difficult verbs. Only joking. Okay. Sharaha, sheen, raha, sharaha, yashrahu. So sharaha, yashrahu means he explained, and yashrahu, he is explaining. Anta tashrahu. Anta tashrahu. Imperative will be?
So which word I am doing? Sharaba or sharaf?
That's fine. Let's do shariba yashrabu. Yashrabu. Yashrabu, he is drinking. And anta tashrabu.
So, ishraf.
Ishrab.
Ishrab. Yeah, okay. Ishrab. Ishraba. Ishrabu. Ishrabi. Ishraba. Ishraba. Ishrafna.
Ishrabna.
Ishrabna.
Excellent, excellent. That's really good. Sister Sister Salma. I think the last two. So I'm going to give you the verb. Dafa'a, dal, fa, ain. Dafa'a means he pushed. Yadfa'u, he is pushing.
Okay. Idfa, idfa'a, idfa'u, idfa'i, idfa'a, idfa'na.
Yeah, so dafa'a has two meanings. Dafa'a means he either pushed or either he paid.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is that everyone in the class who's had a chance?
Sir, how do you spell dafaha with a ha?
You know, I've sent it in the sister. If you check in your WhatsApp, I've sent you the sheet again in the group. So it's dal, fa, ein.
And ein, dafa'a. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay, I see it.
There are very few letters with the starting with the dhamma.
Yeah.
In the imperative.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Okay, excellent. Is anyone else is remaining? No? Right. So the homework. What I want you to do, everyone, is as I have explained that there are three verbs and for the three patterns for the present tense. So like you have the pattern of yaktubu, middle letter having a dhamma, and the imperative comes with a dhamma, uktub, and then the middle letter comes with a kasra, tadribu, and it becomes idrib, and then you have fataha, yaftahu, and the imperative comes with a hamzatul wasl, with a kasra as well, iftah. I want you to write for me three verbs with different present tense, one with a dhamma, one with a kasra, one with a fatha, and also send me a voice note as well, please. So if you can do that for me, that'd be much appreciated. That is the homework. I was planning to do something else as well today, but I think this is enough. What I've taught you today, it's more than sufficient. Normally, people take several lessons to teach this stuff, but I think it's more than enough.
Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you, Sheikh.
For namaz anyway.
Pardon?
It's time for namaz anyway.
Yeah. So alhamdulillah, this is more than sufficient. Any questions from anyone? No? So what I'm going to do...
Can you please send this? I'm not sure if I've gotten this one. Can you please send these three sheets that you have on the screen, the fatah and for the other two verbs as well?
Yeah. I'll send this sheet across. And also I will send you... So next week, what we're going to do is that we're going to concentrate on 4-letter verbs. So next lesson is going to concentrate on 4-letter verbs. So at the moment, the past tense is fataha, 3 letters. So next week will be hopefully the last lesson in which I'll be doing verbs like we're doing now. And then after that, inshallah, we will start the first lesson, inshallah, the following week. So all of this was preliminary for us to start book 2. Inshallah, okay? So Agha Hassan Ali Rashid, can you recite Dua Faraj?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ali Muhammad. Allahumma kulli waliyika al-hujjat ibn al-Hasan. Salawatuka alayhi wa ala abai. Fi hazihi as-sa'a wa fi kulli sa'a. وليا وحافظا وقائدا وناصرا ودليلا وعينا حتى تسكنه أرزك طوعا وتمتعه فيها طويلا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. So I'll send the actual recording as